something that I think is actually very useful, and it's very informative, really. I'll show you here. We get to a nice graphics frame like this one. Is one of my favorites. Okay, but just so there's a lot of points to look at, we're going to go ahead and optimize this, which puts all these points in here. Now, what we just did there is we said, I want to see what this thing looks like with all the points added to it, as though this was being prepared to send out to a WAV file to be displayed with scanners. So all the points that we just added along here, they represent where the scanners would be every 48,000th of a second. Okay. So now this is, of course, a 2D image. As you can see, it's flat, right? But in the user interface visuals, we can turn on this G, which displays the vector order in Z. So we hit G, and now it's on. And you can't see anything now because you're still looking straight into space. But now when you turn it, you can actually see the order in which the vectors are drawn. So here's the straight on view, and this view shows you this is deflection in X over time. This is where it starts, and this is where it ends, right? And here's the straight on view again, and this is deflection in Y. So this is essentially what your Y scanner is going to be tracing, while at the same time your X scanner is tracing that. And the two combined is what gives you your image.